What's up everyone, my name is Jonathan. Today we are going to do an After Effects tutorial on how to animate transitioning of colors, or how to change colors, and how to add keyframes and have those change colors at a very specific time whichever time you would like. So we are in Adobe After Effects. This is Adobe After Effects 2020. I don't remember which version this is, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's a recent version. This is version 17.5.1. and first we need a composition. So if you have a composition open, you can use yours, or I'm just going to create a new one. We're going to just do 1920 by 1080, 23.976 frames per second, and background color doesn't matter because we're going to change it anyways. So now that we have done this, we just need to add a my brain just totally went blank. We need to add a solid. Whew, that was crazy. We can use whatever color we want. Again, it doesn't matter because we are going to change this. So we'll make it this nice blue color here. Click OK. And now what we're going to go over here, I have this effects and presets panel right over here. If you can't see that, just come on over here to window, go down to effects and presets, or hit Control-5 on your keyboard. And in this, we are going to type in fill, and then we're going to click and drag on this over here, or you can drag it straight onto here, or you can drag it right onto your layer over here. And now you saw it change colors. Why did it do that? Well, because if we click on this little arrow right here to bring down this drop menu, go here, and now this is an effects. And now we see what color it's automatically popped up as this red color here. So now what we want to do, let's just say we want this color to be the color that we're using. That's what color it's going to start off as. You just hit this little button right here. It creates a stopwatch. And now you see it added this little diamond here on your timeline. And so now what we want to do is we want it to start here. We want it to start as this, it's almost an orangish color, it's red. But we're going to drag this out a second. So we're going to go to 1 second. And then we're going to click on this box right here. We're going to change this color. We'll just drag it up and make it a nice orange color. And now we do the same thing, drag this over to the next second, or however long you need this transition to be. We're going to drag it up. We're just going to go to yellow. And now let's say we want it to go back to the exact same color. Let's say we want it to go back to this orange color. Well, what I would do is just click on this, hit Control-C or Option-C, I think, in Mac. Somebody tell me how to do this in Mac. I'm not a Mac person. And now drag drag over into your timeline. Now hit Control-V over here, and now you see it created the same. So this is the exact same as this one. And then we would do this for this one as well. Drag this over to another second, hit Control-V, Control-C, Control-V, and now we are here. So now when we play this back, now we have a nice smooth transition of colors, and then it's just going to stay red because we didn't add anything over here. So that's it. Just a quick and easy tutorial on how to transition colors using keyframes. You can also click through your keyframes here, so you can see where you are on your timeline. And then if you click to the right, it's automatically going to go to the next keyframe. Just a little extra bonus tip there on keyframes. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to leave a comment below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm before you leave. And as always, subscribe if you want more content like this. And if you need help with something specific, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Have a great day.